Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's PyLover136 here, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank. Now, this should be the first Ratchet and Clank game in the series, and I thought it'd be fun to do kind of a throwback for those people who played the games, and just go ahead and play them. So, we're going to jump in, and these are not going to be blind. I 100% remember some of this. I don't remember all of these. But it's good to get a refresher on it, so we'll go through the Ratchet and Clank series and have fun with that. Kizil Plateau. Didn't get to read it.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Meanwhile, in a factory on a nearby planet, approaching planet Velden, 11:47 local time. Pew pew. Alright, and we're into it. No talking at all.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free
Options, camera, invert left and right. I didn't see if up and down is inverted.
provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
They are inverted. Alright. Camera, and invert that. There we go. Now, this is an old game, PS2, and I have to stream it. So I hope it runs relatively well. And then I think this was remade for the PS3, but yeah, these games are as old and fanciful to me as, say, the Spyro games. So, but they are enjoyable nonetheless. Smacking baddies. Something about these games has a nice feel to them. Maybe it's because it's all you do is break crap. It's fun to break stuff. Get paid to do so. Up at the top, you can see my health.
You can interrupt help desk messages.
Yep, by pressing triangle. Gotcha. There are, in fact, achievements for this game. But, well, they may or may not be easily obtainable, since I'll be playing with slight lag to everything. It's just gotta read the button inputs. So I'll either get used to it or
square button.
We'll probably get used to it. After all, every game is different.
That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, let Gadgetron's patented nanotech system rebuild your body from the inside out.
These games don't take very long, and I doubt that they'll take long to platinum if we go that route. But they will be fun, or at least enjoyable to me nonetheless. Man, a lot of bolts get left around. Can I grab bolts with the wrench? You can. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to remember what you can and can't do with these games. Ooh. Got him. Okay. 3 bomb glove ammo. Can I hit him from here? I can. Yeah, Insomniac Games, you know, they make a ton of these older style
To
games.
use your bomb glove, press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire it. You can also use it in first person by holding down the elbow.
So that was one of the fun things about these games is you get a lot of gadgets like these, little weapons. And then, I don't know if they do in this one, because it's been such a long time. But at some point in the game, if not this one, they actually evolve as you use them. I don't remember what everything evolves into, and I'm not even going to try. As a matter of fact, this Ratchet and Clank game, being the first of its kind, I don't remember much of anything about it.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Chairman Drek's flagship. Velden orbit.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
Back on Chairman Drek's flagship.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Entering atmosphere of planet Novalis. Well, so much for having that chip.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
He's just gonna ride on our back. Alright, no. I was not trying to do that. Just trying to look around a little first. Alright, so, as you can see, the guy that we are fighting is a real turd. I don't remember. Can I swim now? I can swim now, yeah. Just look around a little bit. Yeah, these kind of games are really fun when you were, or when I was a lot younger. So I'm hoping they'll still be fun going through today. Yep. Gotta make sure to use all the tech that we got. Like I said, I don't remember if that stuff levels up in this game or not. Is there a way to check? Gadgets. Held items, foot items, hand items. No. Oh, weapons. There you go. Well, it's already equipped. I don't think so. It's probably just how old it is. Oh, squares to dive. That would have been useful information. Let's get some air. And then go back through. See where we gotta go. There's some more crates over there. Huh. The air bubble screen is on the right, or on, yeah, the right side of the screen, but it's kind of cut off. I wonder if that's intentional. Yeah, that's intentional, because it comes out when you need it. It's probably just showing you where it's at when you're near water. Yeah. All right. Yeah, they're not giving you any kind of instructions. Three more. Come on. There you go. I almost couldn't even see that. All right. Let us... Oh, well. We did that. Nothing happened. Let's follow this. See where this takes me. Oh. Yeah, I gotta get kind of used to that lag. I tried to jump, but it happened too late. It's been a long time since I've played one of these games. Thought about doing Jack and Daxter as well. If anybody's ever played any of those. And just double jump. Oh. Let's say I don't want to die. There we go. Can I not do anything else here? I mean, I don't see anything else. Yeah, these are some of the older type games that have like a lot of secrets around, so don't be afraid to look around. Let's just go into the water, right? Yeah, I don't want to go back down there then. Let's see, break some boxes, grab some bolts. Oh, another gadget. Oh, am I maxed out? Must be. Uh-huh. Well, I fell. Is there any way... Yeah, okay, I was about to say, is there any way back up? There's no reason to get up on those. Alright, with these, there is a good reason. Just to get to the next one. Oh! That was on me. Yeah, it's just an old, outdated game, so there are times... Can I break these, or do these hurt? Well, they don't hurt, but no, I can't break them either. But yeah, it's just an old, outdated game. I wouldn't say it's outdated, but the controls are... They need work. And they have quite a few of these games.
And blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
For 500 bolts? Sure. And he's just gonna run away.
Did you just slide down a sewer pipe?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Well, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there. To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Huh, you can look around, would you believe?
You can also use your weapons and your wrench in this mode.
Oh, so you can. Alright, well, now we have the coordinates to go to another planet. However, it's probably not going to be that easy since we don't have a ship. Well, let's do like he does and slide down a sewer pipe. Grab all the bolts on the way. Like, dude, you probably could have gotten all your bolts just from sliding down these sewer pipes. Alright. Activate the Gadgetron vendor.
I got
So
some
we can
great
buy
bargains
some
for you,
ammo,
man.
or we can buy the Pyrocitor. Sure, why not? Let's see how that works. Looks like a flamethrower. Feels like a flamethrower. Oh, there's a quick select for your gadgets. I don't know, right now it seems like the bomb is the easiest thing to use. It's got a lot of ammo for it too. Let's just break things up. Maybe we can get a little more health. I don't see a health thing. I wonder what's in here. It's like a lot of nothing. Maybe there's something upstream? Well, I see some health over there, but can I get it before he shoots me? Alright, got it. Okay, so I can't use the bomb when I'm jumping. These are good things to note. I wanted to know what's that way. The current is too strong. Oh well. Maybe I'll be able to swim harder, faster later. All right. I'm not really using the flamethrower. I don't see a need. With the later games, when things start, being upgradable, then I'll definitely use all the weapons. Ooh. Back to dying. Ooh, they put holes in the bridge. Nah, we'll just skip the ammo. They seem to give us plenty. That's what they don't give us plenty of. Oh, I double tapped it. the gloriousness of being able to blow everything up. Man, these bolts are very specific. More pyro ammo. Well, that gets me over here. I don't see anything down here. I could just take the water and, you know, force myself all the way back. But why would I do that? Doesn't seem to be a need or a reason. I keep pressing L3 trying to run. It's not how this works. You know, when he said giant robots, I was expecting kind of like what we saw before Clank showed up.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates to 2 new planets, you can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map. Your ship is marked with a star.
Alright, well that looked like it was back at the start anyways. So that shouldn't be too hard to find. Let's get all the health that we can. I don't know if the health is going to carry over or not. Let's see, get a few more bolts, because as you can see, we need bolts for at least some weapons. And we're going to go to a place called Big Al's Robo Shop. Probably has some weapons that we can buy. Full health and almost 2,000 bolts. Oh, I got myself stuck. Alright, looks like if we... Well, I remember seeing some bolts that were left over here. Going... Oh, jeez. There's a bunch of small bolts just lying around. Yeah, I think this is what I was seeing. No, might have been this over here, because there's a bunch over here, too. There we go. Can't say we never did nothing. Alright, so let's just go ahead and jump back on the hover pad, which is making its way down conveniently. Oh, now it's going back up a little inconveniently. Thank you. Alright. Blast off.